everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got another advent calendar unboxing and I'm really excited because it is the Bomb Cosmetics advent calendar. Now I absolutely love Bomb Cosmetics, they have some really fun and quirky products. This advent calendar was only $19.99, which I think is a great price, and you actually get 24 doors in there, so it's absolutely brilliant. I do believe that it is just sample sizes and kind of like mini products, if that makes sense. They do a 12-day advent calendar, which I think was £35, but that one has like full-size bath bombs in it. But this is their kind of more miniature version. So yeah, let's get stuck in. Okay, so day number 1 is up here. This advent calendar is kind of very traditional in the way that the doors open. It's just like a normal chocolate advent calendar. So up here is day number 1. I've got a feeling these are going to be quite tricky to get into, as they always are when they're these designs. So it opens up like this, and it says Santa Baby soap, so this must be what we've got inside. And then it has a little bit of information about what the product is. So you have to break the film, which is kind of like a paper covering. So if I break that, okay, so that was ridiculously hard to get out. The soap was just kind of stuck in there. I could not get it out. So first of all, we have a little soap. These are kind of like chunks of soaps, they're little sample sizes, which is really nice because you can try them all out, and it smells really lovely and sweet. It's very just floral and sweet. It says it's got orange oil, cinnamon oil, yeah, so it just says it's a festive soap called Santa Baby. It is really nice. Day number 2 is over here. I bet we're going to have an issue again getting into it. So let's see. So again, you have to break the little filmy cover here, which is made from paper. So if I break this. Okay, so it is another soap. This one is called Strawberry Field with fresh strawberry. And it smells absolutely gorgeous of strawberries. Now the issue with getting these soaps out that I've just realised is the soap is actually bigger than the door, so you have to kind of wiggle it out in a weird angle to get the soaps out. So I've gone with popping my hand down the back of the advent calendar and pushing it out. That is the easiest way to do it. Day 3 is down here at the bottom. I'm going to lay it down to get them out now because they're just so hard. This says it's a pineapple expressed blaster, so I do believe this is like a little mini bath bomb. So let's have a little look. The bath bombs are so much easier to get out. Now it is pretty tiny. I think the soap's quite a decent size, but the little bath bombs are very small. So if you just had one in your water, it's really not going to do very much, but maybe you can kind of mix and match with some of the bits that we find in this advent calendar. But this one smells beautiful. This is a pineapple, so it's really nice and tropical. It's absolutely lovely. Day number 4, here we go. Let's see what we've got. Oh, okay, so this is a blaster again, and this one is a fresh berry blaster. So let's have a look. So again, you tear the little paper covering off like this. It's actually a really noisy advent calendar. You can hear everything rattling inside. And these ones come out so much easier. There we go. So it's a little heart-shaped one again. Teeny tiny like the last one, but this one smells very fruity and berry-like. So this is, I think it was red berry. Fresh berry. So this is the fresh berry blaster, as they like to call them. Day 5. What are we going to get this time? Okay, so we've got another blaster this time. This is the Butter Berry Blaster, and it says fresh strawberry scented blaster with cocoa butter chips and cranberry seeds. Sounds very interesting. So let's tear it open again and see. Ooh. Okay, so all the blasters are these tiny little heart shapes like this. This one smells quite similar to the other berry one. It's a little lighter in colour due to the cocoa butter, but it does smell very creamy and berry-like. It is lovely yet again. Okay, so day number 6 is down here at the bottom, and we have got another bath blaster. This is Cleopatra's Desire Blaster. This one says, based on the essential oils Cleopatra used. Oh, that's really nice. That is my favourite one so far. It's actually quite strong. It's It's a very kind of musky scent. That is lovely. Oh, I really like that one. As you go through this advent calendar, some of the ballistics and things and the soaps, they are available on their website, so if you like them you could then go and purchase a full-size product. I've just searched some of the ballistics as well because I really like the smell of the Cleopatra one, and they don't actually have it in the blaster, but they do have some other products with the same scent, so have a little search online if you do like any of the scents, and you might be able to pick some other bits up with the same scent. Right, so we're on day number 7, which is up here at the top, and this one is the lime and dandy soap. It says step out with lime and dandy soap, decide to lift your spirits. So this is the lime and dandy soap. Again, it's a small little one and it smells very, very zesty. This is a really, really nice soap, and I love the design. There's all kind of like little bits in there. It looks like kiwi, but I'm assuming that's lime, but it looks really, really nice. Day number 8, and this time we have got another Velasca, and this is the Cotton Candy Velasca. This one is gorgeous. Again, it smells kind of like that kind of clean linen scent. It's really, really lovely. So that one is cotton, I do believe. Yeah, Cotton Candy. Right, so day number 9. This calendar is literally falling apart on me. This is baby shower blaster. So it's a little baby blue one. Oh, it's quite a subtle scent, but it is really, really nice. So this one says that it's a nostalgic scent of baby powder and creamy swirls of cocoa. So that's a really, really nice, gentle scent. It would go lovely with the candy one actually if you wanted to double them up. Very handy. Day 10 is just next door. So this again is another blaster, and it says you can't catch me blaster. Mischievous blaster has run straight out of a fairy tale and into your bath with festive scents of gingerbread and black pepper. Let's have a little sniff. Okay, so this is quite a kind of earthy scent. I can't really smell the gingerbread, but it is really, really nice. So that is day number 10. Right, day 11, and here we go. Let's see if we can do this without it all completely falling apart on me. I literally can't even get into the doors. Okay, so this one is called Refresher Soap. Oh, this one is really, really nice. It's really like zesty and uplifting. It says sweet orange and mandarin oils. That one is gorgeous. Okay, so day number 12. Where is day number 12? Down here. Let's see what's inside day number 12. This is a cherry bake wow blaster. So again, a little heart shape. Oh, that one's really nice as well. So it just kind of tastes really sweet and fruity. So that's the cherry bakewell one for day number 12. Day number 13 is hiding. So the writing on this advent calendar is in white, and I find the white writing really hard to read. One of the other advent calendars, I think it was the Body Shop one, had the same white writing, and I just can't see it very well. But this one is the, oh, how on earth do you say that? Caperina? Caperina soup, an exotic cocktail of Brazilian lime and grapefruit. Very, very odd name. Let's have a little look. Okay, that one's quite nice as well. It's a very, very fruity. A lot of their soaps seem to have this kind of fruity scent, but it's really nice. So we're up to day number 14. I've got a feeling this is going to be a Velasca. Yep. This is the Strawberry Sunrise Velasca in this one. Again, this is a very subtle scent. The blasters do seem quite subtle in scent, but it is really, really nice still, and that one is a strawberry one. And then we are on to day number 15. Day number 15, where are you? Right, I found it. Day number 15 is at the top, and this is a Cotton Fresh soap. All the soaps seem to be at the top and the blasters at the bottom, which is a little bit of a giveaway as to what you're going to get. Okay, so this one smells like clean washing. Like, literally smells like washing. It smells like washing powder. That's very weird. I'm not sure how I feel about that as a soap. I'm sure it'll probably be really nice because you'll feel really clean afterwards. but it's a very, very gentle scent. So that was day number 15. Day number 16, day number 16, I nearly jumped one. If my theory's right, this is going to be a Velasca. So this one is the Hypno Bath Velasca. Okay, this smells interesting. It says a glittery bath blaster from a fairy magic with fragrances of bergamot and sage. Okay, that's the sage that I can smell. It's quite like an earthy scent. It's quite nice though, I actually quite like it. It's one of the stronger smelling ones, which is quite nice. So we are now on to day number 17. 17. Why are these so hard to find? I can never find them. Okay, so I found 17, it's up here. This is another hard one to get into. And this one is the Adventures in Eden soap. Let's see if I can get this out. No, I can't. Why are these so hard to get out? I got it out. It was really hard, but I managed. These soaps are so difficult to get out, so be warned. This one's a lovely yellow colour, and its scent is quite uplifting, and it's floral. It's got a floral scent to it, which is a little bit different. It says it's got... transports you to your own secret garden. So yes, I guess it's meant to be like the flowers of a garden, and it's got tea tree oil in there as well. But that one is gorgeous. That one is Adventures in Eden soap. Right, so we're getting there. We are on day number 18, which is back down at the bottom. And this one is a Lavender Musk Velasca. So I'm assuming it's going to have a lavender scent to it. Oh, it's very gentle again. Like some of these blasters you literally can't smell the scent of. Very, very subtle. Like I can hardly smell anything on this one. So that is day number 18, and day number 19 up here is a little bit bashed already, and this is a Plum Berry Ice Soap. I got it out eventually. So this one is a very pretty pink colour, and it just smells quite fruity. It's very nice. So that is another fruity one for day number 19. We're up to day number 20 now, which is over here. We've just got the last few to do. And this one is a Crystal Waters soap. It says ice waters freshened into a bar with essential oils and fragrance scent. That makes no sense whatsoever. Okay, so some of these descriptions are a little bit odd, but it turns out that this one's got lavender oil in it. That's the only thing that it says it has. But it doesn't smell like lavender particularly. It's quite a... almost like an aftershave scent, so it's quite like a manly scent, if that makes sense. It is actually really nice and it's quite refreshing. I really like that one. So that one is the Crystal Waters soap. Right, we've just got 4 more to go, so we're on day 21. Day 21 is a jelly and custard blaster. I've had one of these ones before. They're my like favourite scent from Bomb Cosmetics. Yes, it just smells really sweet and yummy. I absolutely adore these ones. Oh, I'm so happy that they've got one of them in there. Okay, so we are on day 22, which is up here at the top. I can't believe how much this is falling apart. It's because of these soaps. These soaps are a nightmare. Okay, so this is the Free Spirit soap. It's a gorgeous green colour with these swirls in it. It's very pretty. And this says it's an uplifting scent to raise your spirits. It doesn't say what's in it, but it's a very zesty one. That's a really, really nice and zesty and uplifting. I quite like that one. So that's the Free Spirit soap. 23 is over here. And this one is the Snow Globe soap. So this must be a Christmas one. Let's see if we can get it out. Yes. So this is a beautiful kind of pale blue, almost clear colour with little snow bits in there. So it looks like snow. And this one just smells really... oh my gosh, this one smells gorgeous. What's it got in it? Does it say? Peppermint. It's got peppermint. That's all it says, but it doesn't really smell like peppermint. It's quite floral. I like that one. That's nice. And we're on our last day. We're on day 24. So Christmas Eve. And this is an Electric Dreams soap. Set your mind free and start believing. Again, it doesn't tell us what's in it, so it's a complete and utter mystery. But let's have a look. So this one is a beautiful white and orange one with beautiful swirls in it. The soaps are really pretty. This one just smells quite generic. It's quite kind of zesty again. They do like their zesty scents, but I couldn't tell you what's in it. It doesn't particularly smell of anything. Maybe orange. It might have a hint of orange in there. So that is a day 24. Right, so that is the full unboxing of this year's Bomb Cosmetics Advent Calendar. The Advent Calendar is literally destroyed. Those soaps were so hard to get out. So yeah, make sure you've got something to kind of pull them out with or go from the top, but it is really difficult to get out. You get 12 soaps and 12 of the bath blasters. I think the soaps are great. They are like a great size to try out. I think they're brilliant. I would have liked the blasters to be a little bit bigger. I do feel that these are quite small for what you're paying. I think they could have made them a little bit bigger. Maybe that's a little bit mean of them. I don't know. What do you think? Have you tried the Bomb Cosmetics Advent Calendar before? Let me know if you have. Let me know what you think. Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like me to do the 12-day one as well, please let me know down below. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a little thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please hit subscribe. It literally only takes a few minutes and it will mean the absolute world to me if you could. If you'd like me to try out any other advent calendars and do some more unboxing, please let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you all next time. Bye!